Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shop button on Instagram. So before we get started, I'm going to ask you kindly to get a piece of paper to write down the notes here as I go on. And I'm going to let you know that before you can add a shop button on Instagram, you need to be a well-known seller. For example, you're an established shop seller, you have websites, you have catalogs on other websites or platforms that you're going to incorporate on Instagram. Instagram can flag down the ones that aren't really sellers. Instagram can remove those people who aren't really legit sellers, are just using Instagram for the show, right? So the thing I want to let you know here is, this is only accessible for a business account, and then you need to be an established seller, as I mentioned earlier. So as you can see right here, this is gonna be my business account, and then I still need followers, and I still need to establish my name. However, I just gained this professional dashboard right now. So what it does is click on this one. Once you're on the professional dashboard, you'll see this is going to be on the Meta Verified section. And then please pay attention on this section right here that says your tools. I'm going to click see all right there. And with this one, this is where you'll see the shop button on Instagram. This is where it should be. This is where you can see the add shop button on your Instagram account. Once you click on that one, you'll see this notification that you can open your shop on Instagram. Click on get started and then just plug in your products. Easy as that. And that's how you add a shop on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll get you on the next one.